Hello. So now actually bridal ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಸುಮಾರು ಸೈಟ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು 2030 ಸೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ architects and every person who came up with an option, we were actually losing a lot of space in the design that they were proposing. We had approached a lot of people with the 2030 dimension that we had, and so since there was a lot of space constraint, the options that they gave was not suiting our requirements at all. So that is when I basically approached both Ganesh and Praveen sir, and they basically came up with the options. And so we had a broad plan in mind as to what needs to come on each floor. But then they were very keen on taking it forward, and they came up with various options. So they used to come up with different options, show me, and if I was not satisfied, they used to take that back, take the feedback back, and go and work upon it and come back. So that way I think we went with this approach of building our house. And I think we are very happy with the way it has come out. And I think we've been getting compliments from the time the house was built. I think thank you because they were very patient in listening to our needs and coming up with the designs. So be it the tiles, be it the styles, be it the wardrobe interiors, I think we are very happy with the way it has come out. And no quality was compromised anywhere, and they made sure that the best quality was used. So I think you can add on.
We did a lot of iterations also. Tiles agli, cement, kambi, everything was a la carte. We chose everything. We had the freedom to choose everything. ತುಂಬ ನಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ಸ್. ದೇ ವರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ದೇರ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ why we picked this specific team. So ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಯು ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಪ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಬೀನ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
Thank you.